visitors. As you can see, I made a small detour from the outside to the inside into Hall 26 and stand D12 to see my colleagues from PALFINGER Tail Lift Solutions. I'm going to talk to my colleague Benjamin a little bit about the newest products, the latest platforms on the market, and of course the software behind it. Hello Benjamin, thanks for taking the time today.
Hello, welcome.
Maybe let's start with this platform. This is the first one. Can you tell us a little bit about the news?
Sure. This is our C2000 SK. So here we have got a lot of innovative products and options. And as you can see, what is flashing here right now is our new side illumination. And in addition to that, we have an illumination in our road stops, so which gives the driver maximum secure during the loading of the truck in the night. In addition to that, we have here anti-slip coating, which is also having a noise reduction. It's very important during the night if you are loading and unloading, where people are living. That's why this plastic coating has got also a PEAK certification.
So maybe let's move on to the next tail lift, because I heard that's the lightest platform that you offer.
Yeah. Here we have got our PTC 1000 LLW. As I said, actually this is the lightest tail lift in the market in the 1000 kilo segment with 4 cylinders. Maximum stability due to 2 lifting cylinders and 2 tilting cylinders, and very robust and light at the same time. We have an innovative design. As you can see, the main bar is screwed, so you can dismantle it and replace for a ball head coupling.
I saw that one of your platforms is hanging from a scale. Maybe let's move on to there and you can explain why you exhibited it like this.
Yeah, this is kind of fun because, payload is very, very important in this segment, in the low vehicle segment. And that's why we from PALFINGER said, hey, we will hook our lift completely with oil. So you could use it really right now like it is. On the scale that you can see the real weight, 166 kg is the real weight, and this is what we want to show, the truth and the reality.
Very, very nice. So maybe let's move on to your screens, because I know that behind all of those products you have a lot of software and configuration options that you also want to show the clients.
Yeah, besides the hardware, as you said, we have a lot of software solutions which helps our customer in the daily business to make their job easier and better. We have our new Impact app, so you can download on your mobile phone, and this is mainly for the driver and the fleet manager, so they can check the status of the tail lift. Is everything okay? And if not, what is wrong? Perhaps it's an easy error. The driver can help himself. If not, there's a service network where he can search for the next service partner and to get help then as soon as possible. On the other hand side, we have also our feasibility study. So there you can prove if our tail lifts will fit to your vehicle. And you can print out a technical drawing. And with that, your procurement can also configure then later on with our product configurator the right product. So we have a cool and easy to use product configurator with all main options you need, so you can really configure individually what you are needing and print it out, and luckily you will order it directly at us.
Thank you very much, Benjamin. Thank you for those insights.
Welcome.
So as you can see, there's a lot to do and to see here in Hall 26 and at stand D12. See you here at PALFINGER soon. Thank you.